Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Fiverr. So Fiverr, depending on Wikipedia, is an Israeli multinational online marketplace for freelancers services. So Fiverr is a platform that connects freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire someone. So this is the original website, fiverr.com. So it has some services like AI artist, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, social media, and SEO, illustration, translation, data entry, and book covers. And depending on the website, the best part is everything. You can stick to the budget, get quality work done quickly, pay when you are happy, count on 24/7 support. But here you need it, you have got it. You can choose the graphic design, the digital marketing, the writing and translation. We have the video and animation, the music and audio, the photography, the data entry, lifestyle. We have business and programming and technology. Fiverr also has a business solution for built for businesses, talented machine and others. You can explore the business by clicking on explore business, popular service for businesses. We have website creation, ads, 3D modeling, illustrations, 2D animated explainer. We have web application, video editing, presentation design, access a catalog of verified trusted talent. So yeah, let's go back to the original website. Inspiring work made on Fiverr. They give you also inspiration that you can use it. So let's join. Create a new account. Success starts here. Over 600 categories. Pay per project, not per hour. Access not to talent and businesses across the globe. You can log with your Google account or with your email or Facebook or Apple account. So let's continue with our Google account. Choose username. It's always available. Let's go. So your account has been created. What's bring you to Fiverr? Buying freelance service or selling? So today let's start by selling. What type of freelance are you? A side hustle, solo freelancer, agency, or agency owner? I'm solo. We have what's your freelancing experience? Just getting started, or freelancer online, freelancer offline, or both online and offline. So in this case, offline's been in real life. Great, almost there. Here, what's next? Complete your seller profile, create your first gig, publish it, and start selling. Okay, let's complete it. So, work on your way from home. What are your skills? How it works, create a gig, deliver great work, get paid. I think you should be verified first. Ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. We need a profile and a magazine. Easy. What makes you a successful Fiverr profile? Good profile, professional network, describe your profession, put a face on your name, and an ID. Now let's talk about things you want to steer clear of. Okay, these are the something that you should respect. Here we have the phone name, the display name, Oh, we have the profile picture. I will just upload the Pentium profile. Yes. We have a description. I am just what? At least 150 character. One train. If I belong here. How many characters left? Okay, let's just spam. No, not this, sorry. Yes. Okay. How can I? Oh, I just did it. 150 digit. Good. My languages. I can speak Arabic. Native. Add. I need new one. I can also speak. What am I speaking right now? English. And I can put it in fluently. And French, sadly. The level fluent. Add. Continue. Here we have your occupation. Nothing. Or everything. I think let's choose. Oh, oh, why I'm here? Okay, let's just continue. Choose two, five of your best writing skills. Let's just use translation, transcription, resume, creative. That's five. We have skills. Yeah, I consider this a good skill. No, I can't choose it. Bad. Uh, can shortcut be a skill? Uh, list the skills related. So this is the professional info, and we have more steps to go. So the skills I put gaming. Just to short out the video here, let's put the country. I didn't even go to college or university, but I'm here for now. La balena sirena misma canción. Okay, it's not a real name, but this is not obligatory, right? And you put the certificate and other information here. We have the linked account. You put your social account and the account security, a password, and a two verification step. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.